You can use the arrow tool to select and drag objects one at a time or many at once. Choose the arrow tool. To select an object, move the arrow's tip over the object, like this point. When the arrow is horizontal, click to select the point. To drag an object, press and hold the button as you move the mouse. To deselect the point, click an empty space. You can also select and drag other objects. Remember to click an empty space when you're done. There are two ways to select multiple objects. You can select each one individually. When you drag one, they will all move. Or you can draw a selection rectangle around the objects. With the arrow tool, press an empty space and drag to surround the objects. When you release the button, all the objects in the rectangle will be selected. Then when you drag one, they will all move. Click an empty space to deselect. In Sketchpad, what you can do depends on what you have selected. Suppose you want to construct a perpendicular line through this segment. You need to select the segment and a point. Choose Construct Perpendicular Line, but you can't. What's wrong? If you have the circle selected too, you can't construct the perpendicular line. Click the circle to deselect it. Now you can choose Perpendicular Line from the Construct menu. You can use the arrow tool to select and drag objects one at a time or many at once.